Hi, this is Gabby with the Aroma Diffuser Rain Cloud Humidifier that we got. And this is a great humidifier that comes with everything you need to be able to keep the device clean and also includes a charging cable. I feel like the size is perfect for a small room. It is beautiful in design and it has a water drip that you can control. Plus, you get to also decide the color that you want this humidifier to have. The best of all is it comes with a timer of up to 5 hours, so you can set it up, go to bed, and not have to worry about turning it off because it will turn off automatically. I like how it improves the air quality in our bedroom. Very easy to use, beautiful in appeal, great device.